Alright guys, today in my all-white motherboard setup, I'm adding some serious power with this beast, the high-end GX-1050PRO 1050 watt full modular power supply. First look at the box and you can already tell it's premium. This thing is rated 80 plus gold, which means it delivers up to 92% efficiency. That's great for lower electricity bills and less heat inside the case. What I really love is the full modular design. Every single cable is detachable, which makes cable management so much cleaner, especially important in my clean white themed build. No more messy cables behind the motherboard. This PSU is ATX 3.0 compliant, which means it's fully ready for modern high-end GPUs. It comes with the latest 12V2x6 connector, so I can safely power even power-hungry graphics cards without any issues. Inside, it features a big 135mm fan for excellent cooling while staying quiet under load. It also has all the necessary protections: over voltage, over current, short circuit, over temperature and more, giving me peace of mind for my expensive components. With 1050 watts of power, this PSU easily handles a high-performance gaming or content creation PC with a strong CPU and GPU combination, plus room for future upgrades. Installation was super easy. The cables are well sleeved and flexible. Once powered on, everything runs stable and quiet. Overall, the high-end GX-1050PRO is a solid choice if you want high wattage, good efficiency, full modularity and modern compatibility at a reasonable price. It fits perfectly with my clean build and gives me plenty of headroom. If you're planning a powerful white or black PC build in 2026, this 1050 watt gold PSU is definitely worth considering. What do you guys think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more build updates.